In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change categories in Expensify. If you're looking to tailor your expense categories to better fit your business needs, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure you have all the information you need to customize your categories with ease. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the specific settings area of Expensify where these changes can be made. Begin by logging into your Expensify account. Once logged in, head over to the Settings section. You can find this option usually at the top right corner of your dashboard. Within the Settings menu, look for something labeled Workspace and click on it. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you select the one you intend to modify. You will then click on Categories. This is the area where you can view all your current expense categories, and from here, you'll be able to make the changes you need. Now, once you are on the Categories page, you may notice a list of all the current categories used in your workspace. Let's say you want to disable a category that is no longer applicable to your business processes. Simply find that category on the list, and you'll see a toggle switch next to it. By clicking this toggle, you can enable or disable the category. This is a great way to temporarily retire categories without permanently deleting them, allowing flexibility if you need to bring them back at a later time. If you need to edit a category name, it's just as simple. Locate the category you wish to change and click on its name. This action will bring up an editable text box. Type in the new name you'd like your category to reflect. Making these adjustments ensures that everyone submitting expenses can do so with the correct categorization, reducing errors and improving reporting accuracy. And finally, if you find you have no need for a category at all, you can delete it. This can help keep your categories list clean and relevant to your current business needs. To delete a category, just click on the little X next to its name. It's important to ensure that you're certain before deleting a category since this is a permanent action and could affect existing reports. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and organize your expense categories in Expensify. Whether you're enabling, editing, or deleting categories, these changes can help streamline your financial tracking, making sure everything aligns perfectly with your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to check out other resources or get in touch with customer support for more detailed guidance.